Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now today we're going to make a very popular yet simple dish. We're going to make Chana Masala. It's not any Chana Masala, we're going to make Punjabi Chole. Now this is a little different from the traditional or the typical Chana Masala that we make, and I'm going to show you all the steps from scratch. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I've soaked 2 cups of chickpeas overnight. So next I'm going to pressure cook this. To the pressure cooker, add the soaked chickpeas. Add enough water so that the chickpeas are immersed. Unlike the typical chole masala, to get this nice rich and brown color, I'm adding a tea bag. To this I'm also going to add a piece of cinnamon and a piece of bay leaf. Add a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda. Close the pressure cooker and cook for a couple of whistles till the chickpeas are cooked. Wow, so you can see this lovely rich brown color. Remove the tea bag, the bay leaf and the cinnamon stick. Now to make the chana masala, to a nice wide kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add cinnamon, bay leaf and cumin seeds. Next add 2 large onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. Next add 1 large teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it in. Add 2 large tomatoes chopped. Saute the tomatoes till they are nice and mushy. Add 2 slit green chilies. Now we're going to add all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder and 2 teaspoons AMCHOOR powder. That is the dry mango powder. Next add a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything till it's all well combined. Now add the cooked chickpeas and mix everything together. Add about half cup of water. Close the kadai and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. So after 10 minutes you can see the chana masala is coming together beautifully. I'm just going to add 2 ingredients to finish this off. Add about 2 teaspoons of ANARDANA powder. Take 1 teaspoon of KASURI METHI, crush it between your palms and add it to the chana masala. So this is going to add a lot of flavor to the chana masala. Finally, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee because I like this nice rich flavor. This is entirely optional. So this delicious Punjabi Chole Masala is ready and we're going to make some delicious fresh pooris to go with this. Hot pooris with this Punjabi Chole Masala is a wonderful combination and it's a must try. So finally, I'm just garnishing with some chopped coriander leaves and some juliennes of ginger. So enjoy this delicious Punjabi Chole Masala with pooris or chapatis or any roti of your choice. Here is this incredibly tasty Punjabi chole that can be enjoyed with puri, rotis, chapatis and or even with some chawal, that is rice. Now this is flavors are absolutely spot on and it's so different from the usual chana masala that we make. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.